It's a wintry Monday afternoon right here in Brooklyn, New York City. And yes, it's obviously very cold out, as you can tell. It's not a nice day to be outside, but I'm here anyway because I have a job to do. And you know what else I have to say? Two things. Number one, that was the worst call of all time in the Super Bowl ever yesterday. Well, what was that? We'll talk about that later. But number two, it's also after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed, and it's about that time. Grab yourself a drink, warm up, because it's happy hour, right here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, after sliding this morning, they continue to struggle for direction amid weaker than expected ISM figures and firm oil prices. Now, just how volatile were stocks today? The Dow Jones briefly rose 100 points late in the morning. This after falling more than 120 points on the weaker than expected ISM figures. Those ISM figures hitting 53.5 in January, but that was below expectations, calling for 54.5. And it was also the weakest read since January of last year. At the same time, December consumer spending recording its biggest decline since late 2009 in December, and you team that with crude oil prices rising to trade above $49 a barrel, a weak dollar, a slight drop in gold, and me standing out here with my winter ski jacket, and you have yourself a session where for the most part, advancers were just one step ahead of decliners over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this first trading session of the week. And on the corporate front, ExxonMobil reporting earnings that beat expectations but were lower than 1 year ago. And in a budget plan unveiled today, President Barack Obama calling for a one-time 14% tax on profits piled up abroad by multinationals, companies that include Pfizer and General Electric. He's also seeking to impose a 19% tax on U.S. companies' future foreign earnings. So there you have it, and make sure if you're those companies, start hiding your money. Just joking. Either way, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'm sure just like everybody else in this country, you're talking about what happened yesterday. 20 seconds left, 1 yard to go. Worst call in the history of the Super Bowl. I said it, everybody else said it. It's no secret. And, well, whoever made that call, whoever decided that call is going to have to live with that for the rest of their life, and they're not champions. And no, I'm not going to say congratulations to the Patriots because I'm a Jets fan, and one day I'll have my day. It might be 60 years from now, but I'll have my day. And until then, I'll see you guys in the morning. From ModernWallStreet.com, a bitter James Sweeney.